Welcome to Science-On. Everyone must have heard about microwave ovens. Some of you must have used it. So what is this microwave and how does the microwave oven work? Let's find out. Microwaves are electromagnetic radiation, but don't be scared by hearing the word radiation. There are different kinds of electromagnetic radiation ranging from radio waves at the low frequency region of the spectrum to gamma rays at the high frequency region of the spectrum. Microwaves are at the low frequency region of the spectrum. So if you are scared of the word electromagnetic radiation, let me give you some examples of electromagnetic radiation which does not scare you. The light coming from the sun, the light coming from the light bulb in your home are all electromagnetic radiation. We can classify the electromagnetic radiation into two: ionizing radiation and non-ionizing radiation. Non-ionizing radiation does not have enough energy to knock electrons out of an atom. Ionizing radiation, on the other hand, can alter atoms and molecules and cause damage to cells in organic matter. So, in which category does microwave fall? Don't worry, it falls in the non-ionizing radiation category, which means they are not harmful. On the other hand, gamma rays and X-rays are ionizing radiation. Gamma rays are the radiations from nuclear decay. Now let's see how the microwave oven works. Microwaves are produced inside the oven by an electron tube called magnetron. Water, fat and other substances in the food absorb energy from the microwave in a process called dielectric heating. Molecules like water are electric dipoles, which means they have a partial positive charge at one end and a partial negative charge at the other end, and therefore rotate as they try to align themselves with the alternating electric field of the microwaves. These rotating molecules hit other molecules and put them into motion, thus dispersing energy. This dispersion of energy as molecular rotation, vibration, etc. raises the temperature of the food. There is a popular misconception that microwave ovens cook food from inside out. This is not really true. Although microwaves can penetrate through food, it can only penetrate through a few millimeters. Microwaves actually heats up the outer layer of the food, and then this heat is transferred to inner layers through conduction. Since microwave ovens directly heat the food, the containers don't need to be heated, although the containers get hot by the heat transferred from the food. Glass, paper, ceramic or plastic containers are used in microwave cooking. This is because microwaves pass through these materials. Metal pans or aluminum foils cannot be used as containers since they reflect off microwaves. This can cause the food to cook unevenly and could even damage the oven. One thing you got to remember is that microwave radiations are not like nuclear radiations. These are very different things in terms of energy, frequency and harm. But at the same time, if exposed to large amounts of microwave radiations, it can heat up your body tissues in the same way as it heats food, and this can cause burns. But you don't have to worry about this if you are using a good microwave oven which keeps the standards for safe use. Microwave ovens have the setup to contain the microwaves inside it without leakage. Most injuries related to microwave ovens are the result of heat-related burns from hot containers, overheated foods or exploding liquids, and these are not radiation related. So if you like this video, click the like button. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.